I got to tell you, this is the time of year I never know day to day whether I need to like grab a jacket, bring a heavy coat, leave the hat at home, or what.
It's the roller coaster we've all gotten
yeah.
used to here.
Why are you tired?
Oh gosh, I've got 3 kids.
That'll do it.
But your husband does all the work with them.
Yeah, that's what Captain Awesome was for.
Yeah, I'm not sure why that makes you so. Is it you get tired of watching him?
Maybe that's what it is. I'm tired of watching him. It's exhausting. And then he won't let me drink coffee because he says I'll be up all night.
That's true. You're usually the one with the giant coffee at 9 o'clock at night. I don't know how you're not up till 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning every single night. You have the coffee, the Dan Campbell coffee ordered.
I do. You know, he drinks like a humongous.
He's talking about all the different things he adds into it.
I can't wait till the morning.
Yeah. Anyway, I seriously am one of those people that goes to bed.
That's me.
Looking forward to the cup of coffee in the morning. All right. Tomorrow morning will be another chilly one, just like we've had the last several days. Check this out. The last time we had an above normal afternoon, you have to head back to Sunday the 5th. And really, that's not entirely true either. That Sunday, the 5th, 67 was our high. It did not happen during the afternoon. It happened around midnight before, or actually kind of first thing in the morning, before this most recent Arctic blast happened. And then we had highs in the 30s and 40s all this past week. So really, you have to head back to a couple Saturdays ago, the last time we had an above normal afternoon. And it's also been every single morning since that Arctic blast arrived that we've had freezes, which means today was our 11th freeze of the season. We had 10 in a row. We only had 1 back in December, so 10 plus 1, that's 11. Our normal to date is 15. We're starting to catch back up close to normal. And remember, we averaged 29 for a whole season. We will have around a light freeze tomorrow morning. Some of you will be below freezing. Some of you will be right around it. Either way, it'll be a chilly start to the day tomorrow yet again. Really nothing happens the next several days. Some rain will stay along the Texas coast. We'll stay dry here. Not much to worry about. Here comes our next Arctic front, though. It will arrive by Saturday morning, which means Saturday will probably be one of those days where your high happens kind of like we saw on that Saturday I just showed you, where it's first thing in the morning. Temps hold steady or fall behind the Arctic front. Right now I have us dry through the weekend. No wintry precipitation, no precipitation along the front. But we'll have to watch maybe the early part of next week for some wintry weather to make its way back into the forecast. In the meantime, this weekend, right now I got 50 for your high, but it could be one of those days where we have falling temps throughout the day. 25 Sunday morning, 37 only Sunday afternoon. And Sunday morning we'll certainly see wind chills in the teens, if not single digits. It's very likely that Arctic air will arrive this weekend and into next week. It's possible that some of the temps with this one are colder than the last round and maybe see some wintry precip yet again, but just like with the last round, it is not a repeat of February 2021. Tonight, light winds and cold. I have us right around freezing tomorrow morning. 32 will be your low. Finally above normal tomorrow by a degree. 56 our normal high. I got us up to 57. 60s Thursday, 60s Friday. We talked about this weekend. Eyes are on Monday into Tuesday of next week. The cold air will certainly be here, so I'm not worried about any sort of, is this going to be wintry weather or is it going to be rain? I think we're going to be cold enough that if anything falls from the sky, it would be of the wintry variety, and cold enough that it looks like it would probably be of the snowy variety as well. But all of the projections at this point, if we see any sort of that snowy mischief, wintry mischief, looks to be light amounts and that dry snow that easily brushes away, not the wet and heavy snow that we saw this past week. And I don't see 8, 9, 10-inch totals that we saw across portions of northern North Texas. I see, dusting an inch.
It's a big difference.
Something like that. Of course, this is still a week away. We'll see what happens, but that's how I see things now.